Now question number 3 from practice set 5.5. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Point F, D and E are midpoints of side AB, side BC, side AC respectively. Show that triangle FED is an equilateral triangle. So what is given? Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Points F, D and E are midpoints of side AB. F is midpoint of AB. D is midpoint of BC and E is midpoint of AC. It is given. You have to show that triangle FED is an equilateral triangle. Proof. In triangle ABC, FED are the midpoints of side AB, AC, BC respectively. It is given. Therefore, FP is half of BC, DE is half of AB and FD is half of AC. Reason is midpoint theorem. F is midpoint of AB, F is midpoint of AB, D is midpoint of BC and E is midpoint of AC. Therefore, FE is half of BC by midpoint theorem. FE is half of BC by midpoint theorem. DE is half of AB, again reason is midpoint theorem. FD is half of AC, again reason is midpoint theorem. But triangle ABC is equilateral, it is given. If equilateral triangle means all sides are congruent. Therefore, AB equal to BC is equal to AC. And this is your equation 4. Reason is size of an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is equilateral. Therefore, AB equal to BC is equal to AC. Reason is size of an equilateral triangle. And this is your equation 4. Therefore, FE equal to DE is equal to FD from 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your equation 1. FE is half of BC and equation 2 is DE is half of AB. Equation 3 is FD is half of AC and your equation 4 is AB equal to BC is equal to AC. If AB equal to BC equal to AC means half of AB is also equal to half of BC is equal to half of AC. So, half of AB equal to half of BC equal to half of AC means FE is equal to DE is equal to FD. Therefore, FE is equal to DE is equal to FD from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, triangle DEF is equilateral triangle by definition. Therefore, triangle DEF is equilateral triangle by definition. So, triangle DEF is equilateral by definition. Now, question number 4. In adjoining figure, seg PD is median of triangle PQR. Segment PD is the median of triangle PQR means D is the midpoint of QR. Point T is the midpoint of segment PD and it is given point T is the midpoint of segment PD. Produce QT intersect PR at M. Produce QT intersect PR at point M. So, you have to show that PM upon PR equal to 1 upon 3. PM upon PR is equal to 1 upon 3. This you have to prove. So, construction. Draw a line passing through point D. Draw a line passing through point D parallel to segment QM such that P dash M dash N dash R. Draw a line passing through point D. Draw a line passing through point D parallel to QM such that P dash M dash N dash R means DN is parallel to QM. This is your construction. Now proof. In triangle PDN, point T is the midpoint of segment PD. It is given. Segment TM is parallel to side DN. Reason is construction. Q dash T dash M. Therefore, point M is midpoint of segment PN. Reason is converse of midpoint theorem and this is your equation 1. Which triangle? In triangle PDN. See this triangle. In triangle PDN. In triangle PDN, T is the midpoint of PD. It is given. Okay. Then segment TM. Segment TM is parallel to DN. QM is parallel to DN. It is your construction. Therefore, TM is parallel to DN because Q dash P dash M. Therefore, M is the midpoint of segment Pn. M is the midpoint of segment Pn by converse of midpoint theorem. So, M is midpoint of segment Pn. Reason is converse of midpoint theorem, and this is your equation 1. Now, in triangle MQR, point D is the midpoint of segment QR since PD is median. Segment DN is parallel to side QM. Reason is construction. Point N, therefore point N is midpoint of segment MR. Again, reason is converse of midpoint theorem, and this is your equation 2. Now, which triangle? In triangle MQR. In triangle MQR. This triangle. In triangle MQR, D is the midpoint of QR because PD is the median, means D is the midpoint. So, D is the midpoint of QR. Segment DN is parallel to segment QM. It is construction. Therefore, N is the midpoint of segment MR. N is the midpoint of segment MR by converse of midpoint theorem. By converse of midpoint theorem. So, in triangle MQR, D is the midpoint of segment QR since PD is median. Segment DN is parallel to side QR. Reason is construction. Therefore, point N is midpoint of segment MR by converse of midpoint theorem, and this is your equation 2. Now, PM equal to Mn from 1. What is your equation 1? Point M is midpoint of Pn. M is midpoint of Pn means PM is equal to Mn. Okay, and N is midpoint of MR means Mn is equal to Nr. So, Pm is equal to Mn from equation 1, Mn is equal to Nr from equation 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, Pm equal to Mn equal to Nr, Pm equal to Mn equal to Nr from equation 1 and 2, and this is your equation 3. But Pr is equal to Pm plus Mn plus Nr. But Pr is equal to Pm plus Mn plus Nr. So, Pr is equal to Pm plus Mn plus Nr. Reason is P dash M dash N dash R. So, Pr equal to Pm plus Pm plus Pm. For this Mn and Nr. For this Mn and Nr we can write Pm because Pm is equal to Mn is equal to Nr. Therefore, Pr is equal to Pm plus Pm plus Pm from equation 3. Therefore, Pr equal to 3 times of Pn, 3 Pm. Now, simple transposition, 1 upon 3 is equal to Pm upon Pr. 1 upon 3 is equal to Pm upon Pr. That is Pm upon Pr equal to 1 upon 3. Pm upon Pr equal to 1 upon 3. Hence proved.